Okay, got a laptop here, pretty fast processor, i5 8th generation, quad-core i5, way better than many i7, so this is confusing from Intel, but this pretty fast processor was actually very slow when I got this laptop, and as you can see, the laptop, it's 2018 laptop, not that old, but it was well used, probably used as a plate as well. So you can see these maps here, and there was everything on it. Shiny touchpad. So, and what we had here, we had basically performance of this laptop was like all dual core. In this bench we had the beginning, we had here like 200 multi-thread, 30 single thread, so that was really bad. That was almost as bad like some AMD dual core E2 or something like that. Yeah, so I have to say the laptop was really bad condition. Screw loose. So when I disassemble this laptop, I'm just letting just kept the stress test on. And when I disassemble this laptop, and I actually tested without bottom, the benchmark was actually a little bit better. I managed to get like 200 single thread, but I had probably 200 multi-thread as well. So I was considering why is that, and it was because this heatsink wasn't attached properly. So when I removed the bottom cover and I just put it on the heatsink, it was actually better. So I removed this 4 screw and they were loose. So what I want to tell everybody, you should maintain your laptops, you should take care of your screw, because if you don't take care of your screw, you're gonna damage your hinges, you're gonna damage your plastics. Those plastics are soft. You use the laptop, the screws getting loose. It's like with wood. If you got a bed, you need to maintain that bed, you need to tie that screw. So the same probably here, but I replaced the thermal paste for new one because it was 3 years. Once it is open, it's worth it to replace thermal paste because it's gonna last. So tighten the screw. You should use thread locker as well if the screw are shorter. Thread locker can help, especially if you use a red one. Yeah, if I repair this as a shop, I will definitely use thread locker. So if is your laptop slow, check your screw, especially processor screw. I really didn't see this on all laptops, but yeah, this surprised me a lot because this is, as I said, 2018 laptop and it was wrong contact to cooler. Okay, another part of this, I just want to measure some voltages here for somebody who will probably struggle, or probably for me in the future if I struggle and I will need to know what is where. So you can have a look and you can see. Can probably help you in the future. Can somebody help? So this processor is i5 8th generation, so you can expect very similar. So I hope you can see. Because here some voltages. These look similar, they are probably parallel. So you get 1 volt here, (0.83), 0.97, 0.87. So these are double. 0.87. It's probably processor, because processor is running. Right now, and we got 0.30. This is fully loaded processor. 0.30. Here we got 8.56, 3.52. Yeah, that's gonna be 3.3, but it's 3.52. Yeah. 5. We're 5 here. Input voltage 19 volts. So this is what you can expect if your processor is fully loaded. Let me now I will use the GPU Z. It's not gonna be fully loaded, but try our best. So we're gonna render this full screen, Ultra HD graphics 620. So let's see if we can see the difference. This is for second battery. This connector is for second battery. You can buy battery and insert it instead of DVD. So that way your laptop lasts longer, because these batteries are not really. It's not business laptop, so the 30 watt-hour battery, that's standard battery for a laptop like this. So what do we got here? 1. I was the same before. I85. We had 83 before. 82. So you can see this is 82. It's lower than before because the processor is not fully loaded. But you can see now. You can see this voltage. It was 0.3. Now I'm rendering. We've got 1.15, so this voltage must be for graphics card.